Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with the pattern for the Gucci style dress. I'm going to show you how to make a pattern for the front. I remind you that the front is going to be asymmetric. I made a new pattern for the dresses with the dolman sleeves. The pattern was made according to my new measurements. This is the waistline. The line in the photo ends a bit above the waistline. I like working with a ruler. It makes the work much easier. I think that in my case, it will look much better this way. I just want to make it slightly round. I've drawn the line in such a way that it ends right on the waistline. You can draw the line however you want. This is how it looks like in my pattern. This shoulder is going to be made of the white fabric. I'll sign it. White. Face. This is also the face side. The only detail left to be drawn is this line. I want it to be parallel to this one. You can draw the lines however you want. I want them to be symmetric. The distance between the two lines is about 30 centimeters. I can start drawing now. I'll use a pencil. I want the slit to start on the knee level. Just imagine how happy you will be when you make yourselves Gucci dresses. I've already showed you how to make a Ferragamo style coat. As I've already said, I want a slit to start on the knee level. I want it to be on the side. You can draw it however you want. I've drawn the line. 12 centimeters away from the center front. I want this line to be slightly round as well, for about 3 or 4 millimeters. You need to be able to draw the lines by side. Let's have a look at the picture once again. This part is signed. It should be white. I'm not sure if it's drawn accurately. Let's check it. It's drawn right on the bust top now. It should be changed. We should always check what we're doing. It's a must. The line should be moved lower. I want it to be placed under the bust. Very nice. This is how the line looks like now. Now you know what to pay attention to. Such details are very important. The second line was changed as well. I don't want the lines to be straight. I want them to be slightly round. If I didn't check if the line was accurate, it would have been placed right on the bust top.
пусть немножко уйдет под грудь.
I also want to change this line a bit. I want it to be perfect.
Нужно найти правильные линии. Вот я сейчас ее провожу вот так вот.
When I finish drawing, I'll cut the pattern. As I've already said, this part should be made of the white fabric. This one should be white as well. I want the slit to be pretty high, so it'll start here. This detail is going to be made of the black fabric. It's going to be a one-piece detail. I've also signed that these are the face sides in the details. Watch what I'm doing next. This is the waistline. It's very important to know where it is. This is also the waistline. I'm much better at cutting than I am at drawing. Notice that the lower part of the white detail is slightly flared in the original picture. The white detail, the black detail. There is a notch on the center front here. This one is also white. I'll make a couple of cuts here. I'll open them for about 7 centimeters in total. I don't want to make a white flare here. You know what? I'll open each cut for about 2 centimeters at the top and 1 centimeter at the bottom. This is how the openings look like in my pattern. The dress is going to be absolutely gorgeous. You can make dresses of any colors you like. I think that brown would also look good with the milk colored. Gray and pink would also look beautiful. Choose any colors you like. The fact that my dress is black and white doesn't mean that all the dresses should be black and white. I've made the first opening. I'm going to make one more next. Please, don't waste time drawing the lines for making the openings. It's not needed. You can make the flare as wide as you want. It depends on the total sum of the opening. You can change the design however you want. Mine is going to look just like in the picture. You can make the back multicolored as well. Use your imagination. This is how much I've added for the flare. I'm going to measure the total sum and tell it to you. I can move these details aside. As I've already said, the back is very simple. This is how the front pattern looks like now. White detail, black detail, one more white detail. This detail was made a bit wider. It will be gathered here. In the next video, I'm going to show you the cutting of this dress. The width of the seams should be 1 centimeter. Don't make the seams wider than needed. It's not convenient to work with them. When the dress is cut and tacked, I'll try it on. There's nothing complicated about this dress. The neckline will be edged with the binding. The bottom will be overcast. The dress is perfect for the important occasions in your lives. It is going to be very beautiful. I'll show it to you when it's ready. I want you to be able to sew accurate, high-quality garments. I also want you to be able to sew and wear anything you want. I want you to learn to love dolman sleeves just like I do. You can sew a lot of different clothes on the basis of the pattern for the garments with the dolman sleeves. Dresses, blouses, jackets, coats. Anything you want. Use your imagination. Anyway, that's all for today. Next time we'll continue working with this dress. I'm going to show you how to cut and take it. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.